Moving on to the back, we're starting off with our no guard all the way open, and we're creating our second guideline. We're then going to slightly close the lever midway and all the way close and attack that initial guideline and erase it completely. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. We are right on top of the occipital bone, so you want to make sure you detail as much as possible here. And also, when you're done softening up the line, switch over to your half guard. As you can see, I'm now switching over to my half guard and I'm using my corners to detail as much as possible. Learning clip roll comb is very crucial, especially when you're a beginner. It makes it easier to sculpt hair and blend in and split, especially when your fades are a little bit choppy. It's easier to make them more smoother with the clip roll comb method. When you're using clip roll comb, when the hair is long, you want to make sure it's nice and damp so it weighs down, but since the hair is nice and short, it stands up and it's easier to pick up with the comb, so we don't got to worry about dampening the hair. And also, when I'm cutting with my horizontal cuts, I'm debulking. When I'm cutting with my vertical cuts, I'm blending, as you can see. When you're blending your side tapers and sideburns, you always want to stretch the skin as much as possible and always start off with your no guard all the way open. This is to set your first guideline in and begin the fade. Now we're moving on to our one guard all the way open. This guard is also very critical when fading the sideburns, especially when you're blending the beard. You want to make sure not to press too hard and you're very delicate near the neck area because you could nick them or mark them or irritate the skin with the teeth of the trimmers. Moving on to his hairline, we're starting off with our Gold FX, and we're going to start off in the middle, working our way to the sides. You always want to make sure not to press too hard because you could bite them with the teeth of the trimmer, and also you go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then you won't line them up properly and then the hair is going to move out of the way. Now that we're done detailing and lining them up, we're gonna move on to our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. But before we do that, we're gonna apply some shave gel so our razor could glide better. When you start using the razor, you want to make sure you stretch the skin as much as possible with your opposite hand, and also keep the razor at a 45-degree angle. This lessens the chance of you cutting someone. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, if you made it this far into the video, leave a comment down below with my subscriber count. I'm 100% gonna reply to it.